माना जाता है. And what a better way to begin this magnificent journey than with the sacred sounds of Vedic chanting, a tradition that weaves together the fabric of harmony, connecting people, cultures, and souls.
Indeed, Vedic chanting is more than just a ritual. It is an invitation to experience the global oneness. And today, we have the privilege of hosting the divine soul bearers of NHS to enlighten us with their sacred chanting.
So please put your hands together and welcome the esteemed members of NHS as they transport us to the realm of spiritual harmony and global unity through the sublime vibrations of Vedic chanting.
So let the divine energies resonate within us, connecting our souls, hearts, and minds. Get ready to embark on this transformative journey as we embrace the essence of one world, one nation. Together, let's create a symphony of unity, love, and harmony. Welcome to One World, One Nation. एक दुनिया, एक राष्ट्र, एक आत्मा.
पावन संकल्प हुआ पूरा, विद्यालय कितना विकसित है एक दशक का ही प्रतिफल, उन्नति भी मानो हर्षित है शुभकामना हमारी यह नित नई ऊंचाई सतत मिले. वट वृक्ष तले कितने बच्चों का जीवन आज पल्लवित है, वट वृक्ष तले कितने बच्चों का जीवन आज पल्लवित है.
While we wait, let's take a moment to appreciate the efforts that went into the organizing today's event. A huge round of applause for everyone who is working behind the scenes. Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to conquer the world. So let's keep this in mind and make everything count. Well, looks like everyone is having a great time. Is it just me or the energy is contagious? Every cut, every performance has a story, and tonight we all are part of it. Behind the scenes. Nelson Mandela once said that you take everything. All are part of it.
to a new dimension through Vedic chanting.
Let's embed this profound message in our hearts and usher in a new era of unity and understanding. A heartfelt thanks to our talented New Haitians, our divine soul bearers, whose voices and performances have transported us to a realm of enlightenment.
We also extend our deepest gratitude to the guiding lights behind these young stars, our esteemed Mr. Arun Singh sir and Miss Swati ma'am for orchestrating this beautiful beginning of our evening. Your dedication and passion have truly made this event a memorable one.
Well, as we continue our annual function, let's move into a beautiful expression of devotion and gratitude.
Please welcome the talented youngsters of grade 1st and 2nd as they present a mesmerizing prayer dance.
जीवन के कड़ में है नृत्य,
खुशियों का स्रोत है नृत्य,
नृत्य ही जीवन की भाषा,
नृत्य है प्रेम की अभिलाषा,
ऊर्जा से भरा योग है नृत्य,
शिव का तांडव है नृत्य,
नृत्य है आत्मा की आवाज,
नृत्य ही परमात्मा का साज,
नृत्य है आदि.
नृत्य है अंत.
Through this elegant performance, our young stars will convey the importance of faith, hope, and unity, setting the tone for an inspiring evening.
So please put your hands together for the adorable new Haitians of grade 1st and 2nd who will spread love, joy, and positivity through their graceful movements.
Under the guidance of our highly skilled teachers, these budding artists have worked tirelessly to bring the heartfelt prayer dance to life.
So, let the music begin and let these tiny talents take us on a spiritual journey.
May their innocence and enthusiasm inspire us all as we witness this beautiful prayer dance.